Welcome to Crypto Tax Club, where you win the tax game like the whales do. I wanted to go over why you have to hold Shiba Inu for 2022. Before we get started, let me first say that this is not financial advice, so please use your own research on what we discuss. Let's take a step back to October 2021. I'm on a daily chart, so every candle represents a day. On October 27, SHIB hit an all-time high of 0.000088. There were many reasons that resulted in this all-time high. First is the overall crypto market. Second, people realized that SHIB wasn't just a meme coin. It actually had some fundamentals, unlike Dogecoin. Sorry, Dogecoin holders. And third, which I think is the main reason for this write-up, is that there are rumors that Robinhood would be listing SHIB on their platform. Not sure if you have seen this website, change.org. There is strong petition to list SHIB on the Robinhood exchange. Out of the 1 million signatures, there are just below 554,000 signatures. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you sign the petition. Shortly after it reached an all-time high, a lot of whales and investors took profit. Remember what I always say, that if a token is going up in a parabolic way, like what SHIB did, it's likely that investors will start taking profit. On November 11, Bitcoin hit an all-time high, which is at this candlestick. You can see that SHIB have been slowly falling following this descending trend line. The interesting thing is that throughout December, it's really just consolidated in this box that I drew out. It can't seem to break the 0.00004, and the floor is 0.0003379. In my opinion, without any type of catalyst, SHIB will never hit an all-time high again. If the crypto market continues to rally and Bitcoin goes up to an all-time high, I believe SHIB will only get up to the 0.000055 price point. In order for SHIB to hit an all-time high or higher, which is in this brown box, we have to see a few things play out, which I listed here. The first catalyst is Robinhood. Either Robinhood needs to list SHIB or that the petition needs to have 1 million signatures. The second catalyst is Shibarium. Shibarium is exciting because it's similar to other layer 2 platforms like Polygon Matic, where it has gained a lot of traction in the last couple of months. Shibarium is huge because it is also a layer 2 solution that sits on the top of Ethereum blockchain. This will help lower transaction fees for those in the Shiba ecosystem. As you may know, that SHIB is on Ethereum's network, and the current gas fees on the Ethereum platform is very expensive. If SHIB is going to be in a play to earn game NFT space, it needs to lower the gas fees. The third catalyst is what I had just mentioned, the play to earn game and metaverse called Oceverse. So this kind of goes hand in hand with the second catalyst. In order for the metaverse to succeed, there needs to be further development of Shibarium. The fourth catalyst is SHIB DEX, called ShibaSwap. Out of the list, this isn't the strongest catalyst, but I want to list this anyways. ShibaSwap was launched in July and allows users to buy and sell SHIB along with other tokens, as well as buy, sell, or trade NFTs. However, staking is a function on the DEX, and investors can earn passive income. This function will help the token to be held for longer. And finally, the fifth catalyst is the burning. If the developers burn more SHIB, it will decrease the supply circulation, which will help increase the price. Now, I do have some interesting news because I do think one of these catalysts will happen soon. Yesterday, the developers teased that something explosive will happen in early 2022. So I think that in January or February, we might see something good, which is why I think you should at least hold some SHIB in your portfolio. We all know how much the project can pump with good news, and in my opinion right now is a great opportunity to buy. So what do you guys think of SHIB? What is your price prediction for 2022? Comment below. Thank you all for watching. If you found my content useful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Have a great night.